Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation of the project titled Home Light Plus, which consists of electrifying rural houses in Benin with PV solutions, starting up with 50 households. I'm Josue Roxenyo and I represent the Energy Nonstop company. Our outline today will look at the market description, the business description, strategy and timeline, and also the lookup. In Benin, a West African country, the energy demand is roughly 2 megawatt-hour per person per year, and the electricity capacity currently installed is only roughly about 350 megawatts. And this mainly comes from oil and gas, which are not renewable and clean energy sources, and they also, the use of these energy sources emits a lot of CO2, which is harmful to the environment. And we also have barely 40% of the Beninese population having access to electricity up to date, and the 60% doesn't. So government since the last decade is trying to extend the national electricity grid and invest more in training of engineers and technicians in the field of energy. And also we have the GIZ and the Green People's Energy for Africa that are giving subventions for green energy projects in Benin, creating jobs, and also creating jobs through small scale energy projects, and also giving capacity building. And we also have a lot of private investors that are working in the field of energy to try to fit the needs of the population in terms of electricity. Energy Nonstop is one of these private companies with more than 10 years of experience in PV supply and installation in Benin, mainly with partners in Nigeria, Togo, and Burkina Faso. We offer off-grid electricity, PV water pumping, PV street lights, and also community phone charging. We can see here the outlay of the company with the CEO, the technical director, me, and the people working, the administration, the installation and maintenance team. To fit the needs of the fill the needs of the population in terms of electricity through this project Home Light Plus, we want to fund a PV standalone system of 500 watt peak each for 50 different households in rural areas, and these will mainly be used for lighting, TV and radio, and also phone charging stations. And the beneficiaries of this project will have, based on the income, a repay plan which extends over 1.5 years, and they can also generate additional funds from community phone charging. With this project, we will be able to install up to 33.4 megawatt-hour per year of energy, and since we are using clean solution, which is the PV solution for this, we will be able to offset up to 24 tons of CO2 per year. Through this project, there will also be the sustainable development goals which are achieved in through this project, mainly the SDG 7 with affordable and clean energy, and also this will help climate action, quality education, and others. For this project, the financial budget will be of about 33.4 thousand euros, and the strategy consists of B2C, which gives a 35% return on investment within 18 months, and also the B2B, which consists of the phone charging station and will generate additional funding up to 50 euros per month for the people who will adopt this business strategy with us. And this is our timeline. We are currently doing the market survey, the purchase and installation will follow up, and then the maintenance and payment will close the gap. And in the future, we aim at embracing a huge population in Benin, and then we leave the community phone charging as a mark point, and also we will work on clean cooking and invest more on climate action. Presentation, and I thank you for your attention.